Hello, welcome back. So we're carrying on where we left off. I have just eaten food, so it hasn't registered yet. My tummy's still grumbling. Excuse me. I couldn't just sit and stare at it. Where's my magnet? Alright, I just found this. It looks like it would have been a name, or maybe it's a daughter, or who knows what. I don't know. Yeah, I wonder whether it's silver wire, so I'm going to keep that separate. All these sequins. There's so many that fell off that jewellery. Can we risk pulling you? These I thought I could just remake again or something into a necklace. How cool are they? They're so much fun. That's going in my junk bag. And we have these, which we could just fix back up into a necklace or turn into like earrings or just pendants. Something. Might just be a bit fun. What have we got here? Oh, we have a magnet. Of course we do. We always find the magnets. So that can go in a separate pile. Out the way. Did you see all the little patterns engraved in that? How sweet are they? So nice. Oh, that would be a fun little bangle. Sadly, this end is broken off, but I might be able to sort something to fix that back up. That would be super cute. Stick that in my thingy. Right, I'm going to try and get a bit more daylight. It's just this angle isn't great. It's nearly 2 o'clock. This looks like... oh, I don't know. That's strange. That would make a really nice pendant. But there's some bits here. It was obviously stuck on something. I might be able to get them off, and I need to get a file and file them down, because that was so pretty. I would wear that, and that's gorgeous. That can go in my junk bag. This one, I don't think I need to rescue any of that, really. I mean, I do have lots of charmy bits. Oh, it's hard to let go. Oh, okay, I might need to. That is super cute. I'm going to put that in my junk bag. What have we got here? Oh, these beads. They're like the other necklaces. I keep finding them. There's a gorgeous bracelet that came into work that was the same style. They were like seeds, so I don't know. Unless they were just wooden carved ones. Oh, you are all hooked up. Come out. Thread you through there. Come on. So this one is most definitely going to be a keeper for me, but I'm probably going to take the rest of these bits off and just keep this bit. I don't know if I can... oh, that's so hard because I can't just... I don't want to risk cutting everything right now and everything just falling everywhere, so I'll have to come back to that. But how cool are they? They're like a really dark brown, and then some crystals, yeah. Or are they shells? Well, they might actually be shells, but even still, they're gorgeous. Go it in my craft bag. That can go in my craft bag for the beads. Rescue what I can. This one is broken. It's quite a vintagey one. I don't know why I had E on the end, because some things you never know if they actually are vintage or not. So that's going in the junk craft bag. This is super cute. I'd love to restring them. and make again. Some of them have lost their paint, but they're too cute just to let go or bin or anything. I hate waste. Absolutely hate waste. This has got some gemstones, so I will reuse the beads to make new things. And my tummy's going crazy. We have more of this necklace. So let's hold on a minute. I'll put a chain clip in there. Where's my tool? I need the right tool. We need the cutty tool. Right, let's chop you, rescue the bead, chop you, and rescue the bead, and chop you, rescue the bead. So, we're a bit stuck. They can go in junk craft, and I will rescue these beads. Right, we have some gorgeous shells. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. That is perfect as it is. So that did not need to be in here. How gorgeous is that? That might need to go in my keeping bag. That's the first thing from this lot. Obviously there's things I said I'll turn into other things for myself. Come out. See, I don't know what these things are for when I get to show you. I've seen them quite a bit in bundles. But please shout in the comments because I have no idea. They're so pretty though. That can go in my junk craft. Right, and what have we got? Apart from a tangle. We have a big tangle. Let's get you out. Right, there's a bit of chain. I can go and come back to. Right, my bag of bags is creeping over. You need to move. There we go. Can we just untangle you, please? Come on. Oh, when they get hooked in these little eye bits, so fiddly. There we go. Sometimes it can take forever getting the angle just right and everything. Sometimes I've had to open them up slightly to get things out. Right. Are we there? Not quite. Oh, my tummy's still making weird noises. Right. This can go in junk craft. That can. Ooh. Hold on a cotton picking minute. I wonder if that's silver with gold plating. I doubt that would be actual gold. That is rather nice. Why are we not focusing? We'll put that aside. What is going on here? Oh my goodness, we're in such a tangle. Now, check out. Right. So you can't even see what I'm doing. I think I'm going to rescue most of them because I was getting it out to try and chop, but actually I think most of them are keep really. Oh, and we have some actual pearls on here hiding. So yeah, that's definitely a keeper for me to sort out. This lovely M&S chain. Can go in my come back to bag. This one can go in my junk craft. I love these sort of chains. They're so delicate and that colour is just stunning. This one, might be able to clean that up and fix that. So that can go in my junk craft. My bag's getting quite full. Some little buttons, keep them aside. Oh dear, we're about to lose all of these beads. Come on, Mr. J. Right, there we go. That can go in my junk craft. That's part of a vintage necklace. And tipping out the bag, I might have broken this worse. What a shame. But I might still be able to do something with it. I'm going to put that in a bead bag. Again, some nice white faux pearls. Oh, they're connected to a vintage chain clasp. That can go in my junk craft. And I've just spied the brown hearts I was talking about in the other video. They'd make really nice little earrings, I think. That can go in junk craft. Oh, so many bits of chains. Right, all the chainy bits and this can all go in my junk craft. How pretty is that? Might be able to turn it into something. Oh, that's an earring that should not be in here. I keep earrings separate. How cool is that? It is broken, but I do still keep anything earring related separate. Oh, wow. Why is this? Not sure why this is in here. That looks, as long as we can bend it back into shape. I think that's what the issue is. How sweet is that? It's a gorgeous enamel necklace. I'm just going to put that one aside as well. Oh, that goes with the bit I just put in my junk craft. Oh, I'm wondering whether I shouldn't have just carried straight on. Food comber. Oh, how sweet is that? All these vintage little mother of pearly bits in my craft bag. This one, I don't think I need to rescue any of that. That can go in junk craft. Okay, we have a bit of a broken sports thingy. Just keep that aside. This one, if we can get it out. I mean, I might rescue the chain off that. Bits of the chain. That is one chunky chain. Sadly, this is like bent and it's lost most of the gems. But that will be tricky to try and undo. I mean, I can give it a go. Let's see if we can have a go. Alright, where's the end of you? It would be tucked right away. I don't think these tools are going to be strong enough to open it. think I'm going to break my tools. Actually, it might be soldered. Yeah, I think that's actually soldered. Just grab it with this one. Oh, I might just have got it then. Oh shit, well, I've broken it. Got a bit of chain off. Something went flying. Was that one of the gems? Oh dear. This bit, let's try and pull you off. That was quite satisfying. I'm not gonna lie. Come on. Oh, this side's not gonna work, is it? Of course not. Come on. No. You're not gonna be my friend, are you? Oh, I can't get the angle right. Oh, there we go. So that can go in the big junk craft bag. I'm not going to risk throwing it from here. So that will go in my junk craft bag. So if I can minimise what I put in my bag to make my bag less full, that is great. Another bit of this. There's lots of little squeezy bits laying about. And some more rubbish. All your little beads. I've just found a teeny tiny gem as well. Don't want to lose you. Oh, you can stay there for now, so I don't lose you more. So many little bits. These beads and metally bits and stuff can go together. Look how cute that is. That is stunning. It's an actual dice. I don't think it's a bead. Oh, it is a bead. Button. Right, I'll put them all in the bead bag. Right, this is an elasticy one, but those enamel pieces are stunning. So that is going in my bag. Just maybe without the elastic. The elastic kind of keeps it together for now. Oh, I just spied this beauty. Obviously the elastics had it. It's gone brittle, solid. But I can rescue all of these. How gorgeous are they? They shimmer and shine so much. And this one, okay, I might rescue the beads off that. Oh, I'm not letting much go today. I would say that's good as is, but I probably put it in here so I can have them, because they would be far nicer either on a necklace or some earrings. Aren't they beautiful? They're just stunning. They've got like rose gold sort of sparkle in them, and they're purple. Just beautiful. Bit of chain, and some more chain, and some more chain. All these chains are going in my back to bag. It's a really nice bit of enamel, beady bit. Alright, this is broken cord necklace, so that can go in junk craft. It's all like come apart on that. Some more bits of it. That can all go in. clasp. That can go in my junk craft to fix back up. Again, another memory wire one to rescue the bits off because I love them. How gorgeous are they? Oh, these really deep purple beads. Just stunning. Right, this one can go in junk craft, methinks. Although, no, I'll put it in junk craft. Oh, what a vintage beauty. Oh, I do love the vintage bits. How nice is that? It's broken now, so it's going in my junk bag. Ooh. Oh, what a shame. They are very tarnished. Such a shame. Although I do wonder whether if I put them in ketchup, it would bring them back to just copper, and then I could use them as copper colour beads. I wonder. Give that a go, because they're quite decent beads. This one's a charm bracelet. I don't actually think there's anything wrong with it. That's super cute though. I quite like that. That's going in my bag. Sorry, there's so much I'm keeping today. I might keep them for crafting. Again, there's a sneaky earring that's snuck in. Oh, is that? Right, okay, that's attached. That would have been wrapped around it. Maybe that was why I had it in here. But I try and keep the earrings separate. That would have been cool. But we can fix that up, do something with it. So just put them in my junk craft. Oh, that's cute. I don't know if that's supposed to be a ring. I guess it is, and it's just broken. That would be a bit of fun. I quite like that. Never seen anything like that. I'm leaving that out. A brokeny bit with an opalite kind of bead in it. In my junk craft. My junk craft. I make my own song up. Oh wow. Oh, it's plastic. Cheeky. But I think. Oh, okay. That might be good as is. Although it does look a bit strange, I think, with that ginormous one on it. I think the rest look okay. But I think that one's actually good to go. Let's put that in a separate thingy. Okay, that looks like it should have had something the opposite end. Because it's all one thing. I'm not sure about that one. We'll put that and come back to. Again, don't think there's anything wrong with it. Oh, it's elastic. And that elastic's had it. But that bead is stunning. I could make something like that. So that could go in my junk craft. Fun bit of chain. Oh, we had the rest of that earlier. We put it in the thing. I just wonder if I could make something with these longer bits. So I might keep that on for now. And these are a keeper. That can go in junk craft. That's, the chain's a bit tarnished. That's going in my junk craft. That is as well. That is giving me 90s vibes with all the fun beads we used to have. don't know, maybe put that in come back to. Broken vintage. These are stunning, but that is far too small to be anything, so that's going in junk craft to be remade into something else. Oh, we are in a pickle. Oh, right, we have a bit of chain. Put that in come back to. Right. I do like these beads, but I think if we've kept enough, we'll put that in junk craft. And this one can go in junk craft. And this, I mean the clasp and everything's good, so I could reuse that. Don't know if we can just pull these bits out. Oh, they have been stuck in with the metal. Let me twist you out. Oh, it's just satisfying to try. We're getting there. There we go. Put that in junk craft. You never know what people are going to use, so that's why I stick all the bits in there. And I state that they're literally junk craft. Like, it's broken bits of jewellery. It's not wearable. There we go. And then I can keep that bit and put on my tray. These are stunning. Look at these beauties, but then all these. They go really well for like earrings. So that is going in my come back to bag. Chainy bit, but there's tassels. We'll put that in junk craft. Oh, what a shame that's broken. That reminds me of a bracelet I used to have when I was little. I'm going to leave that one out. I quite like that. And that can go in junk craft of mine. Tarnished bead. I'm not really putting loose beads in there at the moment. I might do separate things with beads in. Right, this cord has seen better days. The beads, I mean, I don't really feel I need to rescue any of them. So we'll pop that in junk craft, I think. Oh my goodness, there's so much. Wow. Some nice gemstones. And I did just spy this beauty. That's going in junk craft to be pulled apart, and they can go in my beauty bag. They can go in junk craft. And that. And probably that. And this, wow. How gorgeous is that? Also, this is definitely giving me 90s vibes. How cool is that? That's actually quite a bit of fun. That is so sweet. Oh, I like that. That is a bit of me. They're only plastic, like costume, but that is definitely me. I think the elastic will last for now, so that's going in my bag. Right, there's lots of beady bits. Let's pick some of these up. Ugh, get rid of the yucky bits of elastic. Come on, out you come. Oh, so much. I'm going to have to shake this all off. Very frustrating. We made such a mess. All them can go in the beady bag. And this big one. That one. Oh, I do like these. It's a broken bit of something. Button. More gemstone. Oh, we're just making more mess, I think. I'm just going to get a handful and stick that in. That. Nice mother of pearl bead, and that is a flat back off something. I bag all them separately as well because you never know when you might need them for something. Bead. Looks like a broken bit of earring or something. That's cute. It's glass and the plating bit, the colour's like coming off, so I could peel that off and just keep the glass. They can go in junk craft. Oh my god, my hair keeps tickling my nose. I've got to be so careful. That's a pretty bead. Do you like that? This keeps staring at me. That is ringing 90s vibes. That is a beauty. Sadly, that's lost some gems, but I reckon I could rescue that. What have we got? There we go. I don't feel I have to rescue any of that, so that can go in junk craft. It looks like it's part of an earring or something. I'll put that in the bead bag. Ugh. No. Oh yeah, there we go. Satisfying. Put that in the bead bag. Bead bag. Oh, that's a nice bit of chain. That is really nice. It's like almost matte effect. How gorgeous is that? That needs to be rescued. Don't want that getting all scratched up with everything else. I'll put that to the side. I don't know if I need to rescue them. No, let it go. Can't keep everything. Probably let that go as well with the little charmy bits on. Right, let's do this. Now it doesn't look like I've done anything. Well, there's lots on here that I'd want to rescue. And this one as well. Get you out. I'll get off. Oh, you're quite tightly wrapped, that's fine. I'll just stick that in my thingy. Ugh. Right, I'm going to do a couple more bits because it's just too much right now. I have a million and one things to be doing as well, so it does make it difficult. I used to love these little sets. They were so cute with all the little stretchies together tied up with a bow. How cute is that? That would be a fun idea to start again. but that can go in my junk craft. And that's more of this necklace we had earlier. No, there's stuff in there. How fun are these? Like, even the back of them, I actually quite like the back of them. They are missing some gems at that, but some of this I might be able to rescue, so that's going in my bag. And sadly this has seen better days, so that can go in the junk craft bag. And no, we're just going to carry on a bit longer. I'm going to rescue them beadies. That gives me Esmeralda vibes when she's in her gorgeous dress. Rescue, rescue, rescue. Right, maybe we'll stop that. I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll see you in the next video. If you've got any ideas, please shout. If you know anything I didn't, please shout. And don't forget to like and subscribe. But remember, I'm selling some bits on Vinted to raise funds for charity as well. So just give me a shout. I will see you in the next one. Love you, bye.